Victory gardens played a big role on the home front during the dark days of World War II. Now, Tracy Smith tells us, they're back.
This week, the flowers at Rogers Gardens in Newport Beach, California, are in full, dazzling bloom. It's as if to remind us that even in the middle of our upended lives, spring somehow arrived on time. But these days, only the bees seem to be interested in flowers. Right now, nurseries like this one are selling out of vegetables.
What do you got there?
I got tomato plants, heirlooms, black zebra.
After weeks of seeing empty grocery store shelves, home gardeners are snapping up everything from lettuce to lemon trees, says Rogers General Manager Ron Vanderhoff.
But what are customers buying?
Things that relate to food. They don't want to go out in public, but they also want the safety and security of a nutritious food. And no better way to do that than to grow your own. Nothing's better than going out to your garden and picking a tomato off the vine.
Maybe try onions if you can find them from seed.
And now it seems gardening how-to videos are, forgive me, sprouting up everywhere.
Stop panicking, stop overbuying the toilet paper, and get out and start a garden. Pick a spot tonight, pick a spot.
Grow-it-yourself food, you might say, is suddenly just the thing.
People here say seed sales have doubled, maybe even tripled. And it might surprise you that tomato plants are going at the rate of 800 a day. What's not so surprising, and certainly not new, is the notion of growing your own food when times get tough.
It all started back in 1917, when the government called on people to grow war gardens to free up food for soldiers fighting overseas in World War I. And by the 1940s, same idea, different name.
Victory Garden. That's the answer. We can grow food for victory in our own backyards.
And grow they did, in every available patch of land, even in the shadow of New York's Chrysler Building. All told, an estimated 20 million World War II victory gardens produced nearly 40% of the nation's fruits and vegetables. The goals today aren't quite as ambitious, but having a home garden still beats another trip to the grocery store.
Are you guys spending more time out here in the garden?
Well, we definitely have a lot more time to be in the garden.
Christina Nylander is a pediatrician who thought planting veggies might get her two kids to eat more of them. But in the end, it's not just about the food. With all the watering and the weeding, your own COVID-19 victory garden can produce what might be the most valuable commodity of all these days: escape.
It sounds like in this time of so much negative news,
Yes.
This could be one of the little positives to come out of it.
We want to be a happy place where we're providing food and a little bit of distraction, but we also want a person's garden to be their happy place where they can do the same. So yeah, happy places are really important right now.